miss about the good old days, besides payphones and dream catchers? Hats like these. I'm going to show you how to make one. First, you take the hat you want to use, add some needle nose pliers, and with your needle nose pliers, grip the knob at the top of the hat, and just work it off gently. You got it. Just remove the other prong from the back side of the hat. Alright, then at the top, where you've pulled the knob from, take your pliers again and just work it inside there, and that'll open up the hole a little bit more. Next, you need some water and a few items of hardware. Number 1, a screw. Flat-headed machine screw, preferably Phillips, 1 inch by 6 gauge by 32. And I have no idea what 32 means, but the friendly people at your local hardware store will be glad to help you get all this stuff. Next, you need a 6 gauge nut to match your screw, and then a total of 2 flat washers to fit. Okay, so then one of 2 different things. They have what they call an acorn nut or a locking nut. Acorn nut's cool, it'll sit on top and be shiny. But the locking nut is something that has a little plastic layer on one side of it, then when you screw it on, it tightens up really tight. But I'm going to use the acorn nut because it's cool. Once again, machine screw, matching nut, 2 washers, acorn nut, or locking nut. Oh yeah, you'll need a propeller too. This one's about 6 inches. Cost me $1.50 at my local hobby shop. Alright, take your screw and 1 washer. Combine them like so. Then run the screw through the bottom of the hole in the hat. Take another washer. Then your regular nut. Screw it down all the way with your hands. Propeller. And acorn nut. Ow. Yeah, that was pretty simple, right? And my PSA for the afternoon: do not print images on fabric with your home printer. And as always, thanks for watching. Love your show.